Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel day 22. And I just not for advice for my big brother, but I advise for my each and every YouTube family. Do not trust for your best friend as a boy and a girl. Do not matter which one your friend, but you like in your passion. Follow your aspirants. Do not believe anyone friends. Why? Because last moment your friend is or cheat, and after you are to alone, and you are not a fight again for yourself. That is the reason for you are not be properly be speak in English language. But do not matter my content. Okay, my content is 100% pure. So, and reality of the society, first one build a trust, and after you be continue your journey. But that is the not matter, right? Why? Because only 1% trust is not a buy, trust a build. And after one you are to decide which one are people says that is the good person and that is the wrong person. But do not believe first one you explain. Do not trust everyone every time. And after you are to break your ego, break your trust chip. That is the definitely you are to try your best of the best. But I say this is my suggest for you, because do not cheat everyone. Why? Because you believe in yourself, and you first one observe your life, and after you are to cheat other one. That is the reality of the society. First one build a relationships and healthy relationship, just like a friend. Do not priority of your friend in your life. That is the life lesson learning. And after I suggest for my personal as well diary, and that diary are to involve of the literally change of maximum of the maximum my dream right now. And after I will definitely try to my best of the best in day 22 to be continue spoken English in this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Day 22 is my life learning lesson. Do not believe everyone. Only for believe your parents, your family, your big brother and your sister. That is the real life hero in your life. Okay. Thank you so much.